Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of tedious and messy infusion processes at home? Can the 3-in-1 magical infuser machine from Infusion Buds really change the game? This top-rated and best-selling device is a total game changer, allowing you to create perfectly infused butters, oils, and tinctures with ease. With the clear lid, you can watch your infusions in action, which is not only fascinating but also helps you monitor the process. The machine can decarb up to 1.5 ounces of flour and infuse up to 2 cups of butter, oil, or tincture, making it a versatile and efficient tool. The device includes everything you need to get started, including a butter mold with lid, infuser and gummy mixer attachment, custom strainer and press, and a physical recipe book. The recipe book provides you with dozens of recipes and tips, so you can use your infused butter with any of your favorite recipes, from brownies and cookies to smoothies and sauces. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and excellent results. One of the standout features of this machine is its ability to decarb, infuse, and mix all in one device, eliminating the need for decarb boxes or ovens. The new gummy mixer mode makes it easy to create homemade gummies, which is a great way to enjoy your infused creations. The machine is also backed by a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and protection for your investment. With its endless possibilities and ease of use, the 3-in-1 magical infuser machine is a must-have for anyone looking to take their infusion game to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.